Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Sierra headlight bulb. This is a straightforward task that you can accomplish with just a few common tools. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can safely and effectively replace your bulb. This information applies to many GMC Sierra models, helping you restore full visibility on the road in about 30 minutes. First, open your truck's hood to access the headlight area. Many Sierra models use 2 retaining rods or a few bolts to hold the headlight assembly in place. You'll need to pull these rods up or remove the bolts. For some models, especially on the passenger side, you might need to temporarily remove parts like the airbox or a plastic trim piece to gain enough room to work comfortably. Once the headlight assembly is accessible, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing a tab and pulling it off. Then, grasp the old bulb and twist it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Carefully remove the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, handle it only by its base to avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical connector. Before fully reassembling, turn on your truck's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. Once confirmed, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position. Reinstall any retaining rods or bolts you removed, ensuring they are secure. Finally, replace any trim pieces or airbox components that were moved for access, making sure everything is firmly in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.